Yensa ya morituko ya Jumatano kurwase kaunti ya Kisii nigaba clinical officer litukolia lero banyana ko bakwene kiago se koyebolia serikali nyare ko bayokora asobwango na guikirania amaganio abo chinga kibono bagendete ko ba asomugiro gwetania emetinyebere nyare ko bagegweta bagokwana somo cyobosongo nigo batabire nigo bare angekigima kubutwe mirimo onye serikali tirigo chikoba ko baikirania amaganio abo moyego yinigo nyara ko bokoreta ababwata nibo CP wamesema eyo yaba clinical officer somo cyobosongo yenyara ko bagekoragwa amono moliki omonebwe kiombe kyojo chigibore ngatomanya omoliki oitomilde momanye Ekero abanyagitali abateresa barasomugiro litukolia 50 na kiandalero imense yetu ya Kenya litukolia lero nigo abateresa abo amona balia ba UHC kurwa asorogongo rwa Nyanza bakora igikaro imeyomo boganyo yomo imeyomo cyobosongo iliokwanera igoro yomugirobo asebakwanire nabaliki bakoragwa na onche kumosioli ole omunyakerogo o UHC county ya Kisii.
So we came here to join the clinic officers, also to voice our demands. We have worked for 4 years, as I said earlier. We came in when the country was in dire need for services.
Okwana ekerekyo ni goboigo omoliki omonene w'ekiombe gya kuko George Gebore aerera bunanigo baganetie serikali goikirania okoigwana babegete emyaka 5 ebere bono.
That it is our right, even under the international charter, for us to have a CBA. That CBA have been negotiated for 7 years, and we shall not go back to work without a CBA.
Nigo abateresa baba ereire amakongwa mange babeire bagwetera gesa chikonda cyabo koerana ko yamoche serikali ya county ya Kisii ase kubagosereria kubabuta.
Today the government does not want to listen to us, but the UHC staffs are subjected and they discharge duties as those in permanent, but they are working on half pay.
Like now, the contract has ended. We are not given any way forward. We were anticipating for permanent and pensionable terms, but now we cannot be able to sustain ourselves. We are also suffering from mental illnesses. People are committing suicide because of frustrations from our own government.
See, county government, please talk to your people. Stop intimidating people. Stop transfers. Transfers cannot work. You can beat us, you can maim us, you can kill us, but by the end of the day, the spirit remains.
Correct. Nigo bono babuli serikali kubabuta imirimo libagalyo kubabosereria asebono batebire nigo barachikogendera no mugirobo goika serikali yategereire amaganyabo.
If you cannot consider us to go on permanent, you better, instead of punishing us, use the power mandated or given by you by the constitution to fire us. You have told us and you have threatened to fire us. Governor Mdominjoki, I want to say that it is not a favor. We are Kenyans, and if it deems right for you to send us home, so be it.
We need a comprehensive medical cover for our people, for us to go back to work. Failure to do that, we must tell them, even when they fly out of this country, they will still find us here because we are not going anywhere, and we will continue agitating for the right of our members. And that is our work.
It is the role of the government, wherever they are, whether they have gone to Haiti, whether they have gone to Geneva, it is their role to coordinate and ensure that our CBA is signed and registered in court, and it is their role to ensure that we get the enhanced risk allowance of 15,000 and convert our members from permanent and pensionable.
Nguripotelea igetaseni kia Ndizi TV, Eliataliane, Mildred, Momanye.
Solidarity forever for the youth.